leaders and groups are weighing in on the possible decision as well. News 4's Danielle Jackson continues our coverage tonight.
That's right. Religious leaders share with me their thoughts on the possible future of abortion rights in America.
Well, the leak isn't what interests me the most. It's the fact of what the court seems to intend to do.
Mere intentions on the future of abortion rights in the U.S. is what concerns pastoral assistant Dr. Reverend Donna Whitney with Metropolitan Interdenominational Church in Nashville. She says the recent majority opinion draft obtained by Politico showcasing the Supreme Court possibly overturning Roe versus Wade is something she doesn't support. She's also a retired physician and knows firsthand how a woman's choice is never simple.
I have sat with and counseled women who were trying to decide how to handle their pregnancy ever since I was a medical student. And I've never encountered a situation that was simple. It's always complex, and it's always highly nuanced.
But for others, like the Diocese of Nashville, anti-abortion has been constant in their beliefs and policies.
The church in the U.S. has been consistently speaking from its teaching for many years that life begins at conception and continues until natural death. And so in that light, we stand ready, no matter what the law is, to continue our efforts as a church, through our charities, our ministries, to support women and men facing pregnancies.
And outside of religious beliefs, Reverend Dr. Donna Whitney says if Roe versus Wade is overturned, the country could experience an increase in dangerous abortion procedures.
You know, there was a time in this country when many hospitals had whole wards dedicated to treating post-abortion sepsis, meaning bacterial infection disseminated through a person's whole body because of a procedure that was not performed under safe conditions.
Both groups I spoke with today told me they'll just have to wait and see what happens over the next few months. In Nashville, I'm Danielle Jackson, News 4 Nashville.
And we are also hearing from Governor Bill Lee tonight. He says he's concerned about the leak and that if the courts return full authority to the states, our laws will automatically provide the maximum possible protection and offer a glimmer of redemption as America reconciles our troubled past.
He says we're talking about families in crisis, not isolated clinical procedures, and our state will continue to provide protection, resources, and care for both mother and child. Now, there is a lot to unpack on this, and we know you still have some questions. In less than 10 minutes, we'll explain what it means for our state. You can read our coverage so far in our free News 4 app. To find it, search WSMV in your app store.